Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the iPhone is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
We measure the frame tolerances in microns. This level of precision is essential for the final product's integrity.
Temperature stabilizing. Precision levels are fluctuating.
I'm initiating the realignment sequence now.
Alignment is nominal. Good stabilization.
Every iPhone component is tested in a aligner with extreme accuracy.
Every device is tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how the iPhone is made. De ritual, from start to finish.